Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa and today I have a nose strip kit from the face shop to try on. This is the first time I'm trying this nose strip from face shop. This is the very first time I'm trying this. Although I regularly use any kind of nose strip or peeling mask for my nose to remove all kind of impurities and sebum and oil production, whiteheads, whatever, whatnot. I use them regularly on my nose. So but this is the first time I'm trying this from the face shop. So today I'm going to talk about this. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to use this, and I'm going to share my results and my opinion on this product. So definitely stay till end. So this is the Jeju Volcanic Lava 3 steps impurities removing nose strip kit. There are 3 strips in here for 3 steps. The directions are written very clearly in here, and this is retailing for rupees 200. So let's get started, guys. I have cleansed my face with Face Shop Jeju Aloe Vera Cleanser. There is absolutely no product on my skin right now. So I will start with step 1. So as you can see, guys, there is a nose strip in here. It is a wet nose strip. We will just remove the strips from both sides. And we will just place it on our nose. This has kind of a slimy texture and it is a sheet mask. Has got some liquid in here. We keep it on for like 15 to 20 minutes and then we remove it. This step will open up the pores and prepare for the second step, so all the impurities can be removed efficiently. We will have to wipe out all the excess liquid from here. This step makes my nose feel very soft and open up the pores. My nose actually feels a little bit cool. Now let's move on to second step. This is actually an exfoliation step. It is a dry strip. This one is supposed to remove the blackheads, whiteheads and all the impurities and clean out our pores. I will just wet my nose a little bit so the strip sticks to my nose. The strip won't stick to a dry skin. I will remove the plastic from one side and apply this to my nose. We have to press this strip nicely to the nose so it sticks properly, and we will wait for around 15 minutes. We actually have to make sure it dries down completely before removing it. It's been 15 minutes and it is completely dry, and I'm going to remove it. I will just slowly pull it out. This step does not hurt at all, so don't worry about it. Just pull it out very slowly. My nose really looks so clean and the pores look blurred as well. You can literally see how it has removed the whiteheads from my nose. Now I use this kind of strips regularly, so not much has come out as my nose pores are clean to begin with. But if you are doing this for the very first time, you will be surprised how much impurities it can pull out. Honestly, it is quite satisfying. My nose feels so clean and so smooth. Now let's move to step 3. This is another sheet mask, that is a hydrating sheet mask, and it is supposed to close the open pores and soothe the skin. This strip looks quite similar to the first one, and the steps are same as well to the first step. We have to remove both the sides of this nose strip and apply it to our nose. It's quite similar to the first step actually. This sheet also has like a slimy texture to it, and there is a lot of liquid in here. We have to leave it on for around 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes guys, so I'm going to remove this strip now. We don't have to wipe away the leftover liquid here. I will just massage the liquid in and let it dry on its own. This sheet mask is very hydrating and very soothing for my skin. So guys, I did really like this nose strips, all the steps. They really cleaned out my nose perfectly, and the last strip was very hydrating, very soothing for my nose. So I'm going to repurchase this kit, and I'm going to use it maybe every week or maybe once in 2 weeks or something like that, depending on what my skin needs. But I'm really liking this one. I did really enjoy using this, and a big thumbs up from me guys. If you have tried this, share your experience in my comment section, or if you have been looking into it and you want to try it, I hope this video helped you a little bit, making your decision easier. I will see you guys next week with something new. Until then, take care. Bye bye.